Dear Assalamualaikum, once again welcome back to your own channel AR Training Solution. Does your Blender lag like it's running on a 2005 laptop? Don't worry, today I'll show you 5 simple settings that can make your Blender run 10x faster, even on a low end PC. So stick around till then because the last tip is going totally a changer. So without further ado, let's get started. Tip number 1, simplify viewport display. Simply go to the render properties, select simplify and enable it. This reduces texture size, limits subdivisions and make the viewport butterly smooth. It's the easiest way to stop Blender from lagging on big scenes right there. So tip number 2, turn off shadows and overlays while modeling. When modeling you don't need real-time shadows, outlines or even wireframes. So just disable overlays and shadows and your GPU will thank you instantly. You will notice smoother orbiting and faster zooming right away after following the tip number 2. Okay. So moving to the tip number 3, that is use solid view mode. Stay in solid view while modeling or setting up your scene because rendered or material preview modes eat up GPU and memory for no reason. So switch back to rendered view only when you are ready to check lighting or materials or going for the final render. So I think this will help you. Okay, so moving to tip number 4, that's lower undo steps in preferences. Okay, simply go to edit, select preferences, then system and select undo steps and reduce it from 32 to around 10. You can more or less, but I think 32 to 10 is good. So each undo step is stored in memory. The more steps the slower Blender gets. So this small change saves tons of RAM and keeps performance stable while you are modeling or doing some animation. Okay, so tip number 5, enable GPU compute if there will be available. If in render properties device, select GPU compute instead of CPU. GPUs are designed to handle rendering faster and more efficiently. Even a basic graphic card can cut render times in half with this setting. Okay, are you getting my point? So that's it, champs. These are the 5 simple Blender settings that can instantly boost your performance. If your PC finally stopped crying, drop a comment saying boosted so I know it's worked for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn the bell icon because in the next video I will show you how to render faster without upgrading your PC. So until next time, stay blessed, stay safe. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million. Thanks a bunch.